Hello everyone, my name is Hairun Nabil Al-Hakim. In this presentation, I would like to share my career plan as engineering student, including my experience, skills, and future goals. I will also explain why I'm interested in PT Majati Furniture and how it aligns with my background in mechanical engineering. Let's go! Alright, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Hairun Nabil Al-Hakim. I'm from Bekasi, West Java. I study at Polytechnic Industri Atmi Cikarang. My major is Industrial Mechanical Engineering. That is a brief introduction about myself. Next, I will explain practical experience at Atmi. In learn several practical machining skills, I have experience in turning to production cylinder parts and control dimension accurately. I also learn milling to create flat surface, slots, and simple shapes. For drilling, I can make holes according to the required size and depth. I also have basic welding skills for joining metal parts. In addition, I have experience in CNC machining, where I operate machines based on technical drawing and check the final product. I'm also able to read technical drawing to understand dimension, tolerance, and production requirement before starting the work. On these slides, I will explain project experience. In one of my projects, I create a 3D design of a book rack. After that, I convert the design into technical drawings to define the dimension and specification. I also prepared the bill of materials, including screw and other required parts. Then, I operate a milling machine to produce each piece part according to drawing. After all parts were complete, I assembled them into a complete book rack. Finally, I checked the final result to make sure it met the design and quality requirement. On these slides, I will explain about my hard skill and soft skill. My hard skill, CNC machining. I have experience in CNC machining. For example, I operate a CNC milling machine to make a simple metal part based on the technical drawing. I see the 0 point, choose the cutting tool and check the machining parameters. After machining, I measure the product to make sure it with the required tolerance. And then conventional machining. I also have experience in conventional machining such as turning and milling. I use my manual machines to produce the part and learn how to control cutting speed and fit manually. And then technical drawing. I can read technical drawing including dimension, tolerance, and symbols. The skill helps me understand the product requirements before starting the machining process. And then quality control. I understand basic quality control. I use measuring tools like calipers and micrometers to check the dimension and ensure the product meets the standard. And then my basic maintenance, I have basic maintenance skills such as checking my machine condition, cleaning machines, and replacing or regrinding cutting tools to keep machines running properly. And my soft skill, discipline. I'm a disciplined person, especially in following schedule, SOP, and safety rules in the workshop. And then teamwork. I can work well I team by communicating and supporting my teammates during production activities. And then problem solving. When a problem occurs, I stay calm and analyze the issue step by step to find the best solution. And then responsibility. I take responsibility for my tasks and make sure my work is completed properly and on time. And then time management. I manage my time well to meet deadlines and balance multiple tasks during production. On these slides, I will explain my weakness and handle it. One of my weakness is that I am too careful when making decisions. which sometimes makes me take longer. To handle this, I communicate more with my team and ask for feedback before deciding. I also learn from my experience to improve my decision making confidence. By doing this, I can make better decisions while still maintaining safety and quality. On these slides, I will explain about study experience. In one of my machining practice at Atmi Cikarang, the work pace did not meet the tolerance. My task was to find the cause and fix the problem. I checked out the machining settings, tools, and measurement method. Then adjusted the parameters and replaced the tool. As a result, the final product met the required standard. On these slides, I will explain about job vacancy and requirements. I chose PT Majati Furniture because it is a growing manufacturing company that focus on quality. The production process is suitable with my educational background and it gives me opportunities to learn about production and quality control. I also believe the teamwork and work environment will help me grow and build a long-term career. On these slides, I will explain about my plans for the next 5 years. In the first and second year, I plan to start as a production staff. During this time, I want to learn the production system deeply and understand daily operation. In the third and fourth year, I'm to gain leadership experience by handling more responsibilities and improving my problem-solving skills. In the 5th year, my target is become a production foreman who can lead a team, improvement efficiency, and support the company's goals. That is all for my presentation. Thank you very much for time and attention. I hope this presentation can give me clear overview of my background, experience, and career plan. Thank you.